Okay, today's lesson's going to be on switched outlets. Now, I know this is not a switched outlet, this is a light. Power comes into the switch, goes through the switch. When we flip the switch on, power comes out of the switch, turning on the light. Okay, now what we're going to do is pretend that the outlet is actually a light. So this is where we come across the 14-3 wire. So remember, switches do not get neutral, so the neutral goes through the switch to the outlet to the outlet. So both outlets have a neutral. The power has to go to the switch, not through it, but from that same wire, feeding power to the outlet, feeding power to the outlet. Now what happens with the red wire is, when I flip on the switch, this bar actually on the switch will come close, and just like it turned on the light, the power will come through the switch, go to the red wire, turning on the bottom part of the outlet, and then coming through and turning on the bottom part of the outlet. Now there is some things we got to do here. As you can see on the outlet, we have those bars. That lets the power go from one screw to the other screw. So like on this one, we have to remove that bar. So on this outlet, we would have to break that bar to keep the power from going from the bottom to the top. So right now, the top ones have power, and just the bottom ones work off the switch. So right now I will show you how to break that tab off. So as you can see on the switch, and we only ever break off the hot side, we don't want to break off the neutral side. You could actually see that little tab there. So it works best if we took a pair of diagonal pliers, grab that bar like this, and wiggle it. And just keep wiggling it until it breaks off. Now the tab is gone. And here's the actual tab. Okay. Now the code doesn't state if we break off the top or the bottom, or if we switch the top or the bottom. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to show you here in a second, for convenience, why we switched the bottom. Okay, so over here we're going to pretend our portable power bandsaw is actually a light, a lamp. That's the purpose for switched outlets. So right now the lamp would be off. If I would flip the switch, the power is going to go to the bottom part of the outlet, and it would turn the lamp on. Now the reason I switched the bottom is the top would have power full time, and think of this as your phone charger. So now it's easy to get at. I just plug in my phone charger, unplug it. Nothing's in the way. For some strange reason, which I doubt would happen, you want to vacuum your bedroom. It would be easy just to plug in the vacuum cleaner, unplug it. So that's the reason we switched the bottom. If it was the other way, and this was your phone charger, you guys are going to struggle trying to get the phone charger plugged in. Or, once again, strangely, a vacuum cleaner. So the code doesn't say if we switch the top or the bottom. It doesn't matter. But it is always better to have the bottom switched. That's it.